What is good? What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? Just another beautiful day. It's Tuesday. Hope everyone had an awesome Labor Day, guys. So I really wanted to talk to you guys today about the free funnel that I've been actually that I've just done up here, and it's working pretty good. Cool, man. So I've been getting signups daily in both programs here that you can pretty much try out for free, and they're both residual incomes. One's a 50% residual income, and one's a 40% residual income, guys. And the one that's actually 50% here, the way that it breaks down, what you're doing is that the company pretty much is a marketing system slash training as well. So they kind of go extra mile by offering some additional things that you can utilize for your business. Had to fix that glare there, but they pretty much are giving you a lot of tools and things that you would need for your business, or any online marketer or any offline marketer, anybody just a business owner, period. You know, building and branding yourself, or building and branding your business, or having something duplicatable for your team is literally what we specialize in. There are so many people out here that say, join my program, but they don't have things set up. So this is one of the easiest methods that I could possibly come up with, and it works with this system. See, plug it in. I'm plugging you into a marketing system that's going to do all the selling and telling for you. It's an evergreen marketing system that you can build around any business. Only difference is I've already built the system for you for the programs inside of it, so the only thing you need to do is plug into those programs. Then once you're plugged in, I'm going to give you the training on how to set up your system, and then you can do the exact same thing that I'm doing, which one of my free methods that I do utilize is YouTube videos and social media traffic. In social media traffic, I do a lot of videos, a lot of ad posts, but that's not only the thing that I do. You know, I do a lot of paid traffic. Now, if you're saying, hey, I'm new to this, you know, I'm just getting started out, I want to test everything out first, you know, you can definitely do that. But if you want to get in right away and come in with a bang, you want to do some paid traffic, guys, you definitely want to jump into some paid traffic strategies, and we give you ways to do that. But with the marketing system that you get, that you're going to be able to have access to, we're a lead source as well. So you can go in your back office and purchase leads. These are people that have already expressed interest as far as making money online. Usually what we can do, one of the things that you can call and say is that, hey, my name is Jay. You know, I received your information here regarding making money online. And you know, pretty much you just give them that information. Hey, I received your information regarding making money online. Here was and if you're calling them, pretty much, you know, say now is a good time to talk. You know, do you have about 20 minutes to go over? Introduce yourself, you know, and if they say they do have about 20 minutes to go over it, then definitely go, hey, ask them if is it okay to send them the email, you know, saying, hey, keep an eye out for this email, and then set up an appointment to follow back up with them at least 2 hours out or an hour out after they review it. So if they say that they're going to be able to review it, you know, and then you say it's 2 hours okay, then you put them in there and you book them and you give them a call at 2 hours. You know, treat this like a business. Some people don't want to get on the phone, but when you don't have an actual proof, you don't have, you know, no history really of no one really of being successful online, you got to do things like this. And it works. There's nothing wrong. It helps you build your character up. It helps you build your courage up as far as speaking with people, because a lot of people are just scared to talk on the phone. But if you know your product, there's nothing that you would be scared about. And one of the simplest things that I could ever put together was something like this, as far as a marketing system, and then an incentive program inside of it. So think about something where you have two free programs where they both complement each other. One you can utilize for any marketer and business owner, and the other one you can utilize for any business marketer or business owner or marketer when it comes to this type of business online. So that's why I decided to put this thing together. See, the vacation side of, the incentive side, we're able to offer free vacations. Pretty much where there's going to be a lot of things that we're going to be rolling out as far as dining and different things like that as well, that you can utilize and give people. Say, hey, you know, if you come join my business, we're going to give you a free dinner and a movie combo. You know, those are the type of things you're going to be able to offer soon, especially with this incentive program. Right now, we're just kind of covering the vacation. And there's different vacations all the way from now from Vegas, Branson, Daytona Beach, on out to Cancun. So for the people that don't want to travel overseas, I get it right now. You can actually pick the other vacation locations as well, so you're not just subject to, you know, those couple places. There's over 10, 11, 12 destinations that we have for you to choose from, that you can definitely, you know, partake in. So I literally have set this funnel up for you guys where there's no way you can lose. Both companies offer massive and impressive training. With the incentive portion of the program, they literally have every niche business that you can think of, for funnels, videos, everything automatically already done. So there's no way that you can lose in your business. I have someone that joined me just so they can actually give vacations away to their team, just for joining them. Like I said, people are doing this for joining. I have people that give away vacation, like I said, for status updates, for them saying, hey, like my status, and I'm going to give you this free vacation. I mean, there's so many ways that you can give your vacation away. Here's one. For the next 20 people that look into my business, I'm going to give you a free vacation, but you got to reach back out to me and say done. So then you can see them go into your marketing system. See, one thing about marketing systems, we can weed out tire kickers. So we can see who goes in our system and who doesn't. So when they say, hey, I came in with their email, you can go in and reference to them and get them their email. Get their email and send them their vacation. Simple. Now you got them to opt in your sales funnel. So now you can keep emailing them. You can send different broadcast emails to them to let them know, what's going on. People that are winning, people that are making more commissions. People want to see that. So then once they feel like they're missing out, it's called FOMO, the fear of missing out. So once they get that FOMO in, they gonna jump right on. Okay. So don't let the FOMO get you early. Just get on in, get positioned. This is a free funnel. You have nothing to lose. Everyone can afford free. And the difference is that this is gonna help. If you don't have a business, man, everything is wide open. You got dentist offices out here. You have lawn care lawn care services. You have barbers. You have beauticians, salons. You have so many things. Tax repair. All these people can say, well, hey, you know what? I want to offer you. You can give the people a vacation to Vegas for them coming in and doing their taxes with you. You see where we're going with this? And forgive me for my glare, guys. I'm shooting this video and it's kind of sunny today. But you see where I'm going with this. Okay? The marketing system. So, if they wanted to offer out free, they have a special whatever going on and they want to offer something, then they can do a blast out to the people that they collected emails on and say, you know what, we're going to be offering $3 off on this. And you can e-blast that out, or e-blast out to everybody. And everybody that come in this week, we have a nice incentive going. When you purchase from us this week, we're giving you a discount, and you're going to be able to get a free vacation with us for coming in. You see how you just leverage your own people? You leverage the business that you already have to come back in or to make more money if you want to do a referral plan. The sky's the limit. The sky's the limit. So if you have not taken advantage of the free opportunity, I'm going to leave a link at the bottom for you to take advantage of it, guys. Like I said, check it out. It's free, man. Plug into the system. Again, I'm going, once you're in, I'm going to send you over an email that's going to have the training on how to plug in, tie into your system as well. And then I'm going to give you the tips as far as what to do as far as link shorteners, or if you're going to be utilizing, domain names. I'm going to pretty much drop the tips on that as far as, what to do from there, as far as how to get traffic into this thing. And if you decide you just want to reach out and talk to those leads, but we give you scripts literally to call those leads. Another script that I have used, and this one here is real good if you're texting. I've always said, hey, this is Jay. I received your information regarding making money online. Was just shooting you a quick text. Were you still interested, or just kind of kicking around the idea? See, now I'm actually they're either going to say, hey, I was just kind of kicking around the idea, or they can say, yeah, I'm still interested. It's not a yes or no. So that way I can always follow back up and say, well, you know what, hey, if you have an extra, 20, if you have an extra 20 minutes right now, I got a video that I love to send to you, and if you would like a follow-up call, if you're free within an hour, then I can follow back up with you, and we can, see about getting a plan for you to get moving. Think about it, guys. Those are the simplest things. People want to feel like they're talking to somebody and that they're talking to a professional. They don't want to feel like they're just, oh, yeah, you told me you could do my business, and, I seen you looked in, and, we making a lot of money around here. People get $400-$500, and no, they don't, tighten it up. Tighten it up, man. People want to hear from you, but also they want to see that you're halfway professional, too. Or at least try to be professional. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. Click that link at the bottom. Get involved. I hope you guys are enjoying a lot of the other programs and videos as well. I'm your serial entrepreneur for you guys that don't know. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. If you've not, share this video with someone who you definitely think can benefit from having an online business. But this way, regardless if you're skeptical, you know you don't want to spend any money up front, I'm letting you test drive everything for 7 days on both sides. All right. So I'm just your boy Jay. I'm out. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Peace.